Vicious cat. Gotta stay away. He's rolling around. Here he comes. Okay, so we're going to eat breakfast soon, but while I wait for that broccoli soup to heat up, I'm gonna start prepping some stuff for the next couple days. And I don't always make black soybeans, but honestly, these are probably my favorite bean because they are a little higher in fat. They're so rich and buttery, and they're so delicious. So I'm gonna soak a cup, or maybe I'll just soak all of what's left in this jar. Yeah, about a cup and a half. And I'll sort and rinse them and get them covered with water to soak overnight and cook them tomorrow. So as I wrote on the video of the clay pot cooked black beans, which are so good, and you can do that pressure cooking, but the clay pot is just takes it up a notch. But anyway, as I said in there, these black beans, black soybeans, the black color, the shape, they resemble the kidneys kind of, and aduki beans also, maybe dark kidney beans themselves, especially shape, resemble the shape of the kidneys. But
They are good for nourishing the kidneys, nourishing the yin essence, the water element, and especially this time of year in the winter time when it is the season of the kidneys, winter, water element, and salt is the flavor. Okay, I'm doing something a little weird. I often do little weird things, and sometimes they're not very successful, but anyway, we had a little left of this really good broccoli soup, cream of broccoli. Actually, it was just thickened with a sweet and russet potato. What I usually use is, I like to use is leftover brown rice if I have it. But anyway, there wasn't much left, and sometimes in the past, Don and I would actually heat up soy milk and add miso. So I thought I would add just a little miso. It'll make it a little thinner. I'm sorry. I thought I would add a little soy milk and stir in a little bit more miso, and then garnish it with some torn up nori seaweed. That's really good. That is good. Creamy, just the right amount of savory, with a hit of sweetness from the soy milk. Well, just going with a tablespoon of wheat germ, tablespoon of hemp seeds, and I don't know, 6 grams, 7, no more than 10 of walnut halves. So far, I think I'm okay with that. But if I start to feel like I want to moisten it up and get a little sweetness, I'm going to stir in my sorghum syrup. I think I'm good for now. Okay, I did have a snack, just a couple dates, some loose tea, kukicha, roasted, fresh brewed, and some dry roasted peanuts. And I actually did have 2 3-gram tiny little squares of dark chocolate with that. But anyway, here's our final meal, or next meal. If I have anything else after this, it would probably just be a fresh apple. So this is a soup with farro as well as orzo, and lots of vegetables, and there's some tofu skins in there. Just kind of needed to use them up because they were getting all broken up, so you can kind of see it. I was aiming for somewhat of a chicken rice soup with celery, carrot, and fresh parsley and a bunch of herbs. There's winter squash here. This is actually some seitan that Don made last night. I just threw a little in the steamer pot while the rest of this was steaming. So bok choy and some red kale. And looking forward to eating.